こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌えです。I don't want to learn kanji. Yes, I heard that all the time. You have learned hiragana, katakana. Why do we need to learn kanji? Why can everything be written in hiragana? Here's the 3 practical reasons to learn kanji. Let's check it out. Number 1. Avoid weird places. Avoid weird places. This is a signage on the street of Osaka. Thanks to Masan who sent me that photo for me. Okay, so if you can read the hiragana and katakana, you can figure it out. It says front desk to the hotel is this way. ホテルフロントはこちらです。Great! But you have missed the crucial information. This kanji here. What is it? Henna means strange. It says strange hotel front desk is this way. How strange. This strange. So what is Henna Hotel? It is a world first robot hotel in Japan, and there are 18 hotels in Japan currently. Dinosaur or humanoid will check you in and out of the hotel. When you go into the room, there is your robot butler too. Some of them have a robot restaurant, robot bar, robot concierge, robot bellboy. Apparently, this hotel has started to use robots to cut the cost of wages to run the hotel. Initially, replacing humans with robots. To service 144 rooms, they used to need 40 human staff, but they were replaced with 82 robots with only 7 human staff. You may be asking, this is terrible, robots are taking over their jobs. Well, the number of robots increased to almost 300, but last year, 50% of robots were fired due to underperformance and many customer complaints. Robots are now replaced by humans. They still have robots, and they are constantly improving the quality of the service and technology of robots. But so far, robots can't replace the human yet. Number 2, find your food. Very important topic. Okay, you're walking down the street and find this sign. You can read the hiragana. It says soba. It says soba. Soba. Great. You like soba. It is one of your favorite. There is a kanji though. But what is it? Abura. Oil. Oil soba? If you are expecting this one, you might be surprised to get this one. So what is abura soba? Abura means oil. It is noodle dish resembled to ramen without the soup. It has egg noodle with soy and pork sauce at the bottom of the bowl. You can add various toppings like char siu, pork fillet, tamago, egg, menma, bamboo shoots, negi, spring onion, nori, seaweed, etc. It is apparently started around 1950s in Tokyo, and you mix everything and eat these noodles. It is also known as maze soba, monja soba, or shirunashi soba. So if you're expecting traditional buckwheat soba, you may be either disappointed or maybe you would come to like this one. Number 3, find weird place. Find weird place. Again, you're walking down the street and find this signage, thinking, what is going on here? So if you can read the 2 sets of kanji, you will find something interesting here. 合法的 合法的 means legally. 壊せる。壊せる means can destroy. So you came to a place you can legally destroy, smash all sort of things to release your stress. You will be wearing protective gear, but you can smash things with baseball bat. Apparently, you can bring your own item you want to destroy too. Maybe Japanese people have so many rules and morals, expectation, and looking for extreme way of releasing their stress, perhaps? So, that was 3 practical reasons to learn kanji. If you think the kanji is more of interesting way to discover things and avoid getting into trouble, finding your favorite things, it may be more interesting to you. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked the video and want to learn more about interesting Japanese culture and language, please subscribe and thank you always for watching. I'll see you next time. またね。じゃあね。